Are you fear of losing your job to AI? Ever felt like technology is moving too fast? Don't get left behind. Generative AI is changing the game, and it's time for you to be part of the future. Imagine creating a stunning visuals, writing professional content, or even designing entire system with just few clicks. That's the power of generative AI, taking your skills to whole new level. From ChatGPT to tools like Dolly, Midjourney, and many other tools, the possibilities are endless. But here is the secret: it's not about learning how to use these tools, it's about mastering them. At Upskill Alpha, we specialize in helping you unlock these skills. Join our upcoming free webinar to deep dive into the world of generative AI. See you there.